Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make music like Notion. We will explore techniques for creating calm, focused, and minimalist soundscapes. Begin by selecting a simple, inviting melody or a soothing chord progression as your core idea. Then, layer in soft, sustained pads and gentle textures to establish an atmospheric foundation. Remember to keep your arrangement sparse, allowing each element ample room to resonate and contribute to the overall sense of space. Focus on subtle, evolving changes to achieve the desired aesthetic. Focus on essential sound design choices. Opt for instruments that possess warm, organic tones, such as Rhodes pianos, gentle electric pianos, or soft, evolving synthesizers. Apply subtle reverb and delay effects to your sounds, which will help create a sense of depth and expansive space within your mix. Consider incorporating very subtle field recordings or Foley sounds to add an organic, textural layer. Always use equalization to smooth out any harsh or piercing frequencies. Before the race begins, you'll have the opportunity to customize various settings to tailor your experience. You can adjust the number of laps, choose your preferred track, and even set the time of day and weather conditions. Furthermore, each player can individually modify their driving assists, ensuring a fair and enjoyable race for everyone, regardless of their skill level. These options allow for endless combinations and unique racing scenarios. For the final touches, focus on mixing for clarity and a relaxed listening experience. Mix your tracks at a lower overall volume, which naturally encourages a more calm and focused engagement from the listener. Ensure there is clear separation between all instruments to maintain a clean and uncluttered sound. Apply gentle compression to subtly glue your elements together without squashing their natural dynamics. Finally, master your music with a primary focus on warmth and clarity, consciously avoiding any excessive loudness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.